Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity, we are going to be working with the letter B, and we're going to be working with capital B and lowercase b with this activity. And today we are going to make 2 school buses, one for the capital and one for the lowercase letter. For the supplies, we will be needing 1 paper plate that we will be cutting in half, a pair of scissors, a Sharpie, a white piece of paper and a black piece of paper, 1 glue stick, yellow paint for the school bus, and then of course a paintbrush as well. So the first thing you're going to do is take your paper plate and fold it directly in half. You'll take your scissors and cut it straight through. This way you're going to have 2 school buses. Put those aside. Next you're going to take the black piece of paper and you're going to make 4 wheels and tires. Go ahead and cut those out as well. These will be 2 each. So 2 for one school bus, 2 for the other school bus, and then we'll go ahead and put those aside as well. Lastly, you're going to take a white piece of paper and you're going to make uppercase B and lowercase b. I went ahead and did 5 of each. This way we can work with counting, we can work with how many for each, all kinds of fun stuff in that. So now we wait for our toddler to go ahead and come out and finish the activity with them.
What are we going to do?
So we are going to work with the letter
B.
B. Good job. How could you tell? What we're going to do, hold on. So we're going to make school buses.
School buses.
Yeah, so guess what we get to do first? We get to paint.
Oh, paint?
Yeah, so you're going to paint this B, and then we'll paint this one, and then we got to let them dry.
This is a lowercase one. And this is the uppercase one.
Good job, uppercase and lowercase.
Mama, I will shake this one for you.
Shake it, please. Hi.
And working on the bottom and of this.
Oh, good. Thank you.
And we'll spray around.
So you're going to take your paintbrush,
Okay? Hold
dip it,
it.
and go ahead and start painting the whole plate. This whole plate from top to bottom, this whole thing. So go ahead.
Mama, white and black makes gray.
Good job, buddy. We know that because we made an elephant, huh? Remember when we made our elephant project and we had to mix black and white to make gray? Yeah.
And we just dip it.
So our buses
Mama,
are dry.
Mama, I don't see
So
the
you
B.
see the big capital B. I'm going to use lowercase b. Here's your 2 wheels.
Thank you.
And the wheels over here. And then 2. So I'm going to put wheels on the bus. Okay?
I want mine.
All right, you ready to stick?
Yeah.
Perfect. Go. Okay. Now get your wheel.
This one?
Yep.
On here?
Good job. Take your glue.
Nice.
Yay! So we have lowercase b and
Cadbury.
capital B. Okay, now are you ready for a game?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, again, we
So we leave our buses here, and then we have to match. So we have lowercase b and we have capital B. Lowercase b matches which bus? Yes, I'm going to put him in that bus. Capital B goes in which bus? You show me?
Mine.
Good job. Okay, last one. Let's count all the B's all together. Start with 1. So 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. So how many B's do we have all together?
10.
10. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. The subscribe button helps me so much to keep this channel going, and I absolutely love what I do with it. Also, go ahead and check out my channel for other fun activities for alphabet, for holidays, for homeschool with preschool, and we can just do activities alongside together. As always,